What's poppin', y'all? Today we're going to figure out how to install a Minecraft server locally. We're going to get you up and going. We're going to install it so you can add mods. You're going to be using Spigot. It's super easy to install. This is different from the regular installation that most people walk you through because those installations are generally just for vanilla servers where you can't install modifications whatsoever. Alright, so first, you're gonna need Java. Y'all like Java? Java's delicious. It's not like that coffee y'all drink. Alright, enough bullshitting. You're gonna need Java, okay? You're gonna need Java 8. And don't just take my word for it, okay? You're taking the word of someone that works for Spigot. Well, maybe on Spigot. It's an administrator of Spigot. I'm going to put it on the screen, and I'm going to show you why, right? But essentially, you just need Java 8 for the different versions of Minecraft. I'm assuming you guys want to use 1.12 and up, which requires Java 8 and up. Open the browser. Let's get the Java JDK. Okay, you're going to get the JDK 8. It's going to be so great. I actually hate this website. I think Oracle's website is terrible, and I'm pretty sure it's going to make you register as well. Do not get Java 13. Get Java JDK 8. Give me a little bit. I'll find the link, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so you're going to scroll down on the page. I'll put the link in the description. If you have a 64-bit operation system, an OS, okay, you're going to get Windows 64 right here. If not, if you have a 32-bit system, you will use the Windows 86, and we will go on from here. Okay. But you're saying, Spongy, I have no clue what kind of bits. What are bits? What kind of operating system do I even have? Okay, chill. You're going to go to System Information. Okay, this is going to pull up, and it's going to say right here, your system type. Okay, your system type. Let's move on. Fucking Oracle. It's going to make you register. Create an account. It's free. It's super annoying. Do that, then you'll be. Just make sure it's the Java SE development kit. This number might be different, but long as the beginning number is 8, you will be in good. Great, so to verify your installation went through correctly, you're going to open up a command prompt. You're going to hit this. You're gonna, well, not hit it, but you're going to type it, okay? Java version, and then this should show up something similar to this. Gravy. Let's move on. Alright, so now we need to get the Spigot build tools. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, let's do this. Takes forever. All right. 1.15.2 is what we're gonna do. But even if you actually, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're going to download this, and I'll put a link to this because this is going to pull down the most recent build tool, anyways, which is going to be patch 1.15.2 for Minecraft. Keep in mind, if 1.16 comes out after this video is released, it's going to be the same process, assuming that Spigot is ready to support 1.16.2. If you click on this link right here, it's going to download the latest build tools artifact, which if it was 1.16 at the time, it will pull down 1.16. But right now, they support 1.15.2, so it's going to pull down that most recent version. Alrighty, so now that we have it downloaded, I'm going to make a folder on the desktop. I advise you guys do the same. We're just going to call this server, I don't know, 1.15, whoops, 15.2, gravy, and then you're going to take it from downloads and you're going to slap it into there. But now here's the thing. You're not going to double click on it. You're going to need to go into PowerShell. Okay, so let's open PowerShell. Okay. So now we are in your users folder, and to get to your desktop, all you should have to do is type cd desktop. Great. So now, depending on what you named your folder, okay, you're going to do cd, and in my case, I'm going to do server. I'm going to hit tab, okay, and it's going to autocomplete the rest of what my folder name is called. Now, copy this command from the description, or you can type it in, okay? I'm going to put it on the screen, but copy this copy the man. You're going to copy a man? I don't even know what that means. Alright, so you're going to copy the command. You do that by right-clicking, okay? And then you're going to hit enter. Okay, so now it's going to do all of the magic and just let it happen. You know, bask in the magic. Bask in the magic. It's going to do some downloading, and now we're just going to wait. Awesome. So now that it's done, you should now see something like this in your console, aka your PowerShell. You should see build success. We're almost there, folks. We're at the tippity top of the of the mountain. Almost. We're almost there. So stick with me. Oh yeah, have you subscribed and liked this video yet? If not, please do. Super. Alright, so now you're going to want to navigate to PaperMC.io, and we're going to download it. It's super easy. Click Downloads. Paper 1.15.2, that's the supported version. Lovely. We're going to download that build. Okay, so now you might be curious. Wow, did I learn how to speak yesterday? Oh my god, now I'm so puzzled. Focus! So you might be wondering, what is PaperMC? Okay, and essentially think of it as a upgraded version of Spigot, okay? So here's Spigot, okay, and then here's Paper, okay? Paper sits on top of Spigot in a way, right? So everything Spigot does, Paper can also do, right? But it does it better, and it adds extra functionality and performance benefits, and that's all you need to know. Great. So now we downloaded Paper 228 jar. It might be different for you. Just make sure you have the latest for the supported version of Minecraft you want to run. In our case, it was 1.15.2. So now you can go like this and just drop into your file. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all. Now it's time to create a bash file. Bash. Whatever. You need to create something that will be able to run your server. Okay? It's a little snippet of code that we're going to turn into a runnable batch. You double click on it and it's going to open your server. Okay? Let's do it. Alright, so I'm assuming all of you guys have Notepad. Actually, I know all you guys have Notepad. If you are on a PC, open that bad boy, paste this in. Okay? I'm going to put it in the description. I might make it bigger on the screen. We'll see how good the editing is. And yeah, so instead of spigot.jar, we are going to name this as paper228.jar. Paper-228.jar. And you, jar. It's just jar, guys. I'm sorry. And I got that name from here, right? So paper228.jar. It's a jar file. Because it's Java. Alright, so now let's save this. Now make sure you save it into the folder of where your server's at. Change this to all files, and we're going to call this start.bat. This isn't the kind of bat that you're thinking. God, I'm so stupid. This video is... What is happening? And then we cross our fingers and we hope that it works when we double click on start. And it's somewhat working. I think it's going to work. I might go all the way. It's going. I don't know what's happening. It's going to do all this stuff. Oh, okay. Cool. This is actually good that this happened. So this isn't that big of a deal. You just need to accept the EULA, right? So super easy fix. Nothing's really broken here. Don't be alarmed. Let's get into it. Alright, super simple. So EULA right here. You can open it with Notepad, whatever, and change this to true. That's all you have to do. Just accept it. Just accept it. That's it. Then hit start again. And then it's going to load all the libraries. It's going to do all this cool, crazy stuff. Okay? Oh man, look at this. Allow access. You better allow access. Okay? Or I'm calling your mother. But yeah, let this load. Let it do its... Let it do its thing. And then we'll get back to it. And now, it is so piping. What the hell is this? Internet Explorer, get off my screen. Who hired you, you piece of crap? Okay, so let's boot up Minecraft because it's time to play. It's time to play. It's the day to play. What is happening? Come on, Mojang, hello. Great, we'll click on multiplayer. This might be too loud, so I want to turn it down, okay? Because I don't want to hurt your guys' ears, okay? I'm thinking about you. I have the viewer in mind, okay? So, multiplayer, direct connect. Ah, shit. Don't go on that server. Blur this out, editor. Alright, so now we're going to go here, which is your local IP. That doesn't matter. And look at that. I joined the freaking game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's a Minecraft server! We're on our own Minecraft server, dude! We're on our own Minecraft! Dude, I am way too freaking hyped right now. I mean, it's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Cool. So one of the best things about having your own server is being a administrator. Right off the bat, though, you're not. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Super simple, and we'll do it really quick. So all you have to do is go to where your server is running in this terminal, wherever your terminal is. Okay, you're going to type op, and then you're going to put the name of your account. Cool. So now when I log back in, I'm going to be an administrator on my server. Thus, I can, let's see, like, give myself, I don't know, tons of shit, tons of grapes, tons of apples, tons of muffins. Yep, I said it, muffin. Alright, so one of the coolest things about having your own server is being an administrator. Now, being an administrator comes with great power! In reality, okay, you can give yourself stuff, you can teleport around, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy. We're going to go in the terminal, which is where you have your server running, right? So if I scroll up, this is the server, right? So I just hit enter a whole bunch of times. You don't have to do this. And you're going to type op, and then the name of your user, right? So now when I log back in, I am going to be an administrator. I will have all the power! Alright, so there's two more things I want to show you. One is how to install a plugin. It's a simple plugin, but it's the same for all plugins generally. Some are more complex, some aren't. And then the other thing I want to show you is how to change your server from survival to creative if you are interested. Alright, so if you haven't, make sure that you have closed down your Minecraft server. You do this by going into your command prompt that has your server open, making sure your cursor's in it and blinking, and hold Control-C, and that will close it. That's like the safest way to close your server. And now I'm going to show you how to install a plugin. So it's also super easy. Some plugins are more complex than others, but the installation process is generally the same. So you're going to want to make an account on, it's called spigetmc.org. They have tons of plugins. Some are free, some are paid, but it's really simple to do. So we're going to download a plugin called a Simple Greeter. I'm sure all of you guys know what it is. So essentially when once you install this, when someone logs in, it says someone joined the server, and then when someone logs off, it says someone left the server. But this is really just to show you how to install a plugin. Cool. So let's download it. All you have to do is click download. Don't worry, most shouldn't hurt you. Do not click on this, okay? Go through here, and then we're going to drop this. Oh, sorry, this is hard. But not that, but just showing you guys. I'm going crazy. Let's see. So Now you're going to go in plugins in your server, and then you're going to drop what you installed right here. Super cool, super easy. And then you're going to start your server back up. Startaroo! Buddy-badoo! Sugar-bicka-blicka-blue! Shoo-blue-blue! And you see it's starting, it's doing the things. It's super cool. Yeah. 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 And you see it enabled simple greeter. That's the name of the plugin. Okay, so now when I start up Minecraft again and I log in, I should see me somewhat greeted in a way. I don't know if it's the nicest greeting in the world, but it is a greeting and it lets me know that someone joined the server. But you know what? We're not picky here, okay? We just get shit done. We get shit done. We get it done. Join server. Cool. Whoa, wowza. So as you can see, somebody joined the server. That's the plugin network. One thing I want to show you, the last thing, and I'll let you guys go, is how to change your server from a creative server to, or from a survival server to a creative server, and that is super easy. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna disconnect because IDK. We're gonna go to server inside of your folder. You can open it with Notepad. Okay, we'll do one of these, and then you're gonna look for this force game mode. Okay, we're gonna change that to true, and then we're gonna change survival to creative. Okay, save it. Okay, Control C this bad boy, and then terminate the batch. Yeah, just keep on hitting Control C. All right, and then start your server again. All right, and now it should be in creative mode. Okay, see, default game type creative. You are now in creative mode, and that's it, folks. Like I said, you know, these take a lot of time to make, so it'd be much appreciated if you could like, subscribe, and you know, leave some comments. If you have any problems at all, please leave them in the comments, and I'll get to them. All right, guys. I hope your servers are up and running, and you know, I look forward to playing with y'all. And just to make sure that this is working, I don't leave you guys on a cliffhanger because that would be so sad. This is the wrong one. I'm going to verify. We're going to verify because I don't want to leave you empty-handed. The server output, it looks a little weird, but maybe that's because it's in creative mode and it doesn't really matter. So let's just make sure we're good to go. And then I'm going to go. Okay? I promise. I freaking promise. But I don't want to leave you guys with something broken. So we're going to hit direct connect. We're going to go in. Okay, I think we're chilling. And we're chilling. So, but now we're in creative mode. And, yeah. Super duper cool. It's really freaking dark. I don't know the day command. It's like set day. I don't know. I'll show you the give command, though, because it's kind of cool. And I give myself a boat. Yay, give myself a boat. Yeah, I'm so badass. Okay, bye.